Got a bunch of great photos where you look amazing or hold special memories, but there's something annoying in the background that stops you from sharing them? Watch this video to learn how to easily remove unwanted objects from your photos in just a few seconds with just a few simple clicks and no need for any complicated software. Just 3 quick steps and you're done. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on more awesome videos like this. Let's get started. First, go to poe.com/MagicErase. Second, upload your photo. Third, highlight the area you want to remove using the brush. You can adjust the brush size from here. Then hit erase, and that's it. Your clean and perfect photo is ready. Looks super clean, right? Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next video.